Hello there, it's me, your old pal Carl Welshman, and today we're taking a look at Flemmings, established in 1981's the classic chicken burger. Look at that fucking hell, it's got a little bit of fucking little Heinz mayonnaise in there. I picked this up from Iceland the other day. My wife scrunched up her face like, what the fuck is the matter with you, Carl? But I was like, gotta try this, gotta give it a try. Handy at those lunch times when you're a bit snacky, or you stumbled in from the pub and you've got shit all over you somehow and you don't know how you've got it on you, but it's on you and you're hungry. I did have a little glance at the instructions earlier, and it seems quite simple. It's kind of going like old school rustlers. Like rustlers these days, it's like, right, put the burger patty on a plate separately and take the buns and toast them. Back when they first come out, all you had to fucking do is exactly what this fucking chicken burger from Flemmings is saying. Chuck the whole thing on a plate, obviously not with the fucking plastic sachet of sauce. You microwave it for 60 seconds, pop the top off, squirt your sauce in and fucking tuck in. So that's what we're about to do. Now, I am going to be honest, I expected the chicken burger to be breaded or have some sort of a southern fried crumb, but what we're actually dealing with here is more of a chicken patty. On the back of the packet it says, burger made with chicken and mechanically separated chicken meat in a white sesame seeded bun with a sachet of mayonnaise. That fucking sounds delicious. I do like my meats to be mechanically separated. It doesn't smell pleasant. Fucking hell. Let's have a little taste. Very nondescript. Very, very nondescript. If I didn't see that this was a chicken burger, I would have no fucking clue what I'm eating right now. It's salty. I can't tell whether that's a sesame seed or a bone. I think Snacksters have finally met their match when it comes to absolutely grotesque, instant, post-pub food. The bread has a weird, almost donut-like sweetness. And obviously the texture, because it's been cooked in the microwave, is also cake-like. You literally taste like a fucking donut. A bit of that fucking mechanically reconstructed burger meat. Oh, fucking hell. That is soft. Jesus, even if you were totally pissed out of your fucking mind, you're gonna struggle with this bad boy. I think you're better off eating this while sober, because if you were drunk, I reckon with the mix of alcohol and the fucking booze going through your blood, this fucking monstrosity would trigger some sort of deep, never-ending panic attack that even when you went to bed, you'd wake up the next day going, "Oh! Oh! What the fuck happened to me?" I'll never get a fucking Flemmings chicken burger ever again. It says the classic. Really? That's the classic? The classic would be more, you know, a crispy crumb coated burger patty. You know, if they put some crumbs on this, it would hide the horrors that are just out in the open for everyone to see. Like, the fuck? That's not a classic burger. I also think that Heinz mayonnaise is disgusting too. It's not a million miles away from Heinz salad cream. Hellmann's is never going to be fucking beaten. I can't wait for this to end. You know the other fucking scary thing, guys? I've got I think it's a fucking cheeseburger from bloody Flemmings in the fucking fridge. What the hell is that thing gonna be? Whew. It's over. Now I know exactly what it's like for a hostage to be freed. That feeling that they must get, that relief when they finally get home. Maybe they've got no ears, maybe their fingers are gone, but they've made it home. The Flemmings 1981 classic chicken burger with its mechanically reconstructed fucking meats. That's a fucking 2 out of 10. Never again. Never again. God. I thought it was over, but it's like it's like I've been captured again. It's all stuck in my teeth. Every time I breathe, I can taste the burger, which it really wasn't very chickeny. It's so soft. And emotional.